Hello, this video I will explain to you how you can use checkboxes in your document to add multiple options for your signers to choose from. The difference between the radio button and the checkboxes is that the radio button allows the signers to choose only one option. As for the checkboxes, they allow the signers to choose multiple options from, let's say, the same group or from the same part of the document. Let's begin by going through the board meeting minutes right here. We have the roll call table right here to make sure that we get the attendance of the board members. So we have present and absent column right here. And we need to make sure that the board members are either absent or present in a specified meeting. By going to the signer's information in the left sidebar right here, we have checkbox. We can go ahead and drag it to the specified place on the document, as you can see, and it's added. We can add as many checkboxes as we need per document or per part by clicking on the duplicate icon, or by going to the settings right here and then click on duplicate. We can duplicate as many checkboxes as we need, and we can also fix the alignment for each of them for a specific member to make sure that they get to choose whether they were absent or present for that specified meeting.